Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Before we start with our vlog, I just wanted to give you guys another short life update. So, yes, this time we have shifted our place, and by place, I just do not mean by city, but we have shifted our country. Actually, not even country, we have shifted our continent. So, yes, right now we are in Milan to pursue the second half of my master's program. If you guys remember in my previous vlog, I did mention that we shifted city for my master's program, which I was doing from Bombay. And right now I'm in Milan to pursue the second semester, the final semester of my master's. And after that, we'll be pursuing our thesis. So that is an option. Let's see where we're gonna pursue that. But yes, right now we are in Milan, and this video is going to be a short travel vlog slash certain snippets of after we came to Milan, whatsoever has happened. It was a month back that we reached Milan, but I was not able to edit the vlog because of certain other commitments. But yes, finally I'm uploading this vlog and I hope you all will enjoy the vlog. So yes, kindly share your love to this vlog. Plus, I was not able to start this vlog on a very good note. It was because of certain things which happened right before I traveled from India to Milan. What exactly happened? At least 2 days prior, I planned my entire video, like how I'm gonna start and everything. Even I bought this mic for the vlog thingy because it's because of the all the additional background noises that affects the video quality. So I thought, you know what, let's make this investment. A night before my flight, I made a payment to Etihad Airways. So Etihad was the airline that I chose to travel. So I made a payment for the extra baggage. But later on, I didn't get any confirmation mail. So I called the customer service, and to my delight, I just got to know that, ma'am, we haven't received any payment, but the amount was debited. It was quite a messy situation because I had extra baggage, and later on, I just got to know that my payment was not processed, and I waited for almost about 8 hours, and after 12 to 14 hours, I had my flight. It was really hectic, not only for me but also for my parents, because even they were worried that what she gonna do and all. But then I reached the airport, and by somehow I was able to process my luggage and everything. But yes, it was hella chaotic situation there. And yeah, finally I'm here in Milan, but I was not able to start my vlog on a very good note, and that is something. While editing, I was like, oh god, dude, I have to do a voice cover and all of that. But I guess you all will understand. I just hope that you will enjoy this vlog, and yeah, share your love, and can't wait to show you more of Milan and more lifestyle vlog in general, honestly. Yes, see ya soon, and yeah, keep watching. Yes. What are you having now? फिल्मों वाली लाइन तो सीधी सीधी बोल नहीं सकती थी कि भाई टेस्ट पसंद है. वो दुनिया दुखी है, लोनली है. Hello. अनन्या. हाँ. क्या कर रही है तुम? Connecting to the free Wi-Fi. Look at her. Why are you so happy connecting to free Wi-Fi? Yeah, because we only have 1 GB to use. Exactly. Yes, we have arrived here in Abu Dhabi. My mom called me. मेरे को पकड़ के फेरेंगे. मेरे फोन में ऐसे आवाज आ रही है. Yo, but all of this luggage is going to our gate. Finally, we are sitting outside our gate. And here's Ananya. How excited are you? पॉडकास्ट नहीं है जो आपको इतना सोचना पड़ रहा है.
Where is the mic? We are extremely tired and cranky. So it's better that you don't.
I want to pee and sleep at once.
There's literally a washroom right behind you, Shambhavi. Please go and pee.
Go
That
pee,
sounds like a
boo.
you problem.
Whatever you wanna do.
बताइए कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मुझे अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Why? Because
Cameraman,
I just
cameraman.
did my skincare. So we are done with our priority check-in for boarding. Now we are just waiting for the gates to open, and then we're gonna board the flight. Now, honestly speaking, I'm dead tired to even continue with this vlog. But I want to, because since I didn't make any sort of good start of the vlog, but still, let's see what I can do. And here is Ananya and Shambhavi, very sleepy. But I'm pretty sure as soon as they board the flight, they're gonna come in their high energy and then start chit chatting again, bullying each other again. Look at that smile, that cunning smile. Again, Ananya yawned. I'm just hoping that I shouldn't be yawning. Shambhavi yawned.
She's right about something.
There is so much population. There's so less jobs.
Such a useless conversation we are having. So we are out and about. Hi. आज थोड़ा सा सही सा लग रहा है. So we are at the central of Milan. Here are Duomo.
Pandora, Sephora.
I'll just show you guys around. It's so
Oh my
fucking
god,
beautiful.
this is beautiful.
After a great hunt, we finally made it to Primark. How do you feel?
All type of cravings hitting at the same point. Gelato, all these bakeries and cakes and croissant. Share gelato. Please.
बहन को निमोनिया का शौक चल रहा है. No, we are only getting water from here.
Gelato.
We are only getting water from here. No, only water. We shopped a lot of things from Primark, and look at Ananya settling stuff and my things falling down. तू क्या रही है?
वॉलेट नया लिया है, सोच रही हूँ सेट ही कर लेती हूँ. Guys, personalized wallet
From Primark.
from Primark. You only get this in Italia.
No, not really. ये ले भाई.
दिखाना नहीं होता यहाँ पे सबको, थोड़ा ऐसे ही है.
perché ti amo